my name is Caitlin, and this is the technical video for our app Ungrumpify. As you first log into the app, you will be asked your screen time goal. Once you put that in and hit next, it will take you to our Grumpster mascot. As you can see, the longer you spend time on the screen, the grumpier the Grumpster will get. In the future, we hope to link this to the amount of time spent recreationally. When you click here, you are presented with a pseudo home screen. This screen has 4 recreational screen time apps: TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, and YouTube, 1 non-recreational app that is necessary for day-to-day life messages, and our app Ungrumpify. If you click on one of the recreational apps, then after being on the app for a long enough period of time, then Ungrumpify will show you a notification. This notification will show you various ideas of off-screen activities for you to try. This notification is randomly selected from 3 possibilities. We have this one geared towards writing activities, one geared toward outdoor activities, and a bucket list where you can type your own activities you want to try someday. In the future, we hope to add more possible notifications and personalize them to the user's personal interests. Let's move on to the app itself. When you click on the app, if you click on the idea generator button, then it will show you our 3 generators: an activity generator, a challenges generator, and a tips generator. The activity generator will randomly generate an activity that you can try. Our challenges generator will randomly generate a challenge for you to complete. And our tips generator will generate a tip that you can use to help you lower your screen time. When you click on the button on the bottom left, it will show you the bucket list from before. We also have a friends list. Here you will be able to bet if these friends meet their goals. In the future, we would hope to create an actual friend system and implement app competitions for our friends to compete in. In conclusion, our app has implemented notifications to pull you away from your phone and towards other activities, multiple generators to help inspire the user on what they could do rather than spend time on their phone. We have implemented a way for the user to set a goal for themselves, and a Grumpster that grows progressively grumpy if you don't meet the set goal. In the future, we hope to create a functioning social aspect in the app, we hope to expand and personalize the notifications, and we hope to more deeply embed the Grumpster into our app. Let's look at some of the code. Let's start by walking through the code for the generators. So how this works is we basically took a list of various phrases. These are all possible outcomes for the generator. Then what we did is when the button is clicked, we checked if global A for activities generator was empty. So basically it would show a little notification saying that the list is over. If the list is not empty, then basically what it's going to do is take a random integer from 1 to the length of the list, and we're setting the label's text to the index of whatever random integer it pulls up. So that's the index number. So here's how the notifications work. So what we have is all these images and arrangements becoming visible versus invisible whenever a button is clicked to simulate that the screen is sort of being changed or you're entering a new section, when in reality it's all the same. We also have a clock timer being enabled to true or false whenever you're entering or exiting a recreational app. So what we have done here is similarly to the generators, we have a list of the 3 different possible screens that it would change to, and when the clock timer begins, basically the same exact thing as what we had before, and then we also set the clock timer interval to 0 so that it can refresh and restart. Thank you for listening.